guys, welcome to the channel. I'm GT. Today I'm driving something a little different. I've had this car for 20 years. Most of my cars I leave very original. This is one of the cars that I did not leave original. The interior is different, the exterior is different to what originally came out on this car, but it does have a kind of a factory look on it. You'll see that later in the video. I'm also going to do a 0 to 100 in this today, which will be my first video with a 0 to 100 to see what she can do. All my other cars are V8s. This one isn't. It is a V6, but it is an L67. The motor comes out of a 1998 VT Calais. It includes the transmission and the original VT computer, which is patch harnessed into this car. You guys might be thinking, what is this actual car? What was the base? Well, I'll reveal that a little bit later in the video. But if I had my time again on this car, I would leave it in its original state, maybe with the motor. That's about it. But if you can, you know that that's the supercharger. This car drives really quietly, really smoothly, and it's not as bumpy as you'd think because it is quite low. Inside we have retrimmed SV seats. They're out of an SV89 and retrimmed in cream. I bought them the way they are. It also came with the door trims. It might not be to everybody's liking. Luckily it's not a daily car because this colour would be hard to maintain. I do have the original seats that came with this car as well. This is the back seat. HSV on the SV89 used the Calais seat but did some different stitching in the centre. Here you can see the trip computer, the SV Momo that came off a VN. The base car is a 1992 VP Calais. You can see the driver's side glove box and the climate control. Even though the original car was a VP Calais, the outside looks like a VN. On first glimpse, it looks like a VN SV89. It has the decals on the front and rear bar and the rear doors. The side skirts, however, instead of being VNSS, are from the SV5000. The front guard also has the eyebrow from the late SV5000, which was also shared on the VNSS Group A. There's definitely no V8 here. It is the V6 L67 Supercharged. The window surroundings are whited out just like the SV89. The mirrors are also white. It doesn't have the color-coded wheels. The SV89 has white color-coded wheels. These are still silver, but they are the Walkinshaw wheels that were on the SV89. At the rear you have the VN taillights and the SV89 rear spoiler. This is the supercharged V6 out of the 1998 VT Calais. It has a 10 psi pulley, extractors, a dual exhaust setup which is very similar to a VR VS HSV 215. I also have the VT brake upgrade on this car. Being a VP Calais, it came standard with the independent rear suspension, so it does squat. It actually helps with the takeoff and the launch, having the independent rear suspension. It's a bit of a Frankenstein. I call it the VO Commodore, half VN and half VP. Let's see what it can do 0 to 100.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep, go. 5.7 seconds to 100. It's a good time for the street. Thanks for watching the channel. I'm GT. Catch you soon.